Second sum, for production of 10,000 units, following are the budgeted expenses: direct material, direct labor, variable overheads, fixed overheads. वेरिएबल एक्सपेंसेस डायरेक्ट सेलिंग एक्सपेंसेस जिसमें 10% फिक्स्ड है. ओके. एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन एक्सपेंसेस में 40,000 फिक्स्ड है. डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन एक्सपेंसेस में 20,000 फिक्स्ड है. प्रिपेयर बजट फॉर 7,000 9,000. दे हैव गिवन फॉर 10,000 and they have given per unit. You have to do it for 7,000 and 9,000. Can I say manageable है?
Yes, sir.
तो कैन आई से जहां तक डायरेक्ट मटेरियल, डायरेक्ट लेबर, वेरिएबल ओवरहेड्स, ये तो इजी है. फिक्स्ड ओवरहेड्स भी इजी है. 1,20,000 सब जगह लिखोगे. वेरिएबल एक्सपेंसेस भी इजी है. काम आता है ये तीन में. ये तीन में थोड़ा डिफरेंस है. जरा प्लीज ध्यान दीजिए. तीनों में से क्वेश्चन 2 आई विल शो यू वन. सेलिंग एक्सपेंसेस. Selling expenses for 10,000, 12 rupees. So 12 rupees per unit for 10,000 rupee units. That is how much? 1,20,000. Yes or no? Come on.
Yes, sir.
Now, out of this, how much is variable and how much is fixed? What did question give us? So 10% fixed. 10% is fixed. So can I say 90% is variable? Hello?
Yes, sir.
So 10% is 1,20,000 का 10% is 12,000. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
And this will be 1,08,000. Correct?
Yes, sir.
So I have bifurcated my semi-variable into two parts, variable and fixed. And then I can find for 7,000 and I can find for 9,000. Did question specify that you also write it for 10,000? They want budget for how much? 7,000 and 9,000. You have to prepare budget for 7,000 and 9,000. How will you prepare? They have given per unit details also. So what you can do is, ₹7,000, 9,000 rupees per unit, rupees per unit. Done. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, come on, start doing it. Any doubts? Do let me know. सर जहां तक डायरेक्ट मटेरियल का सवाल है, बहुत सिंपल है. यहाँ पे मैं ना वो वेरिएबल, फिक्स्ड और सेमी वेरिएबल का बाइफरकेशन नहीं करूँगा. जरूरी नहीं है. So 48, 48. So 48 into 7, that comes to 3,36,000. And 48 into 9,000.
4,32,000.
Correct. Then direct labor, sir, again per unit is same, 24, 24. Sir, I know 24 is half of 48. So 336 divided by 2, 1,68,000. And 432 divided by 2, 2,16,000. Then variable overheads, 20, 20. 1,40,000, 1,80,000. fixed overheads. 1,20,000 everywhere. So 1,20,000 divided by 7,000, that is 17.14, and 1,20,000 divided by 9,000, that comes to 13.333.
334.
Correct?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Then after that, variable overheads, variable expenses. Variable expenses per unit is 4. So 7 4s are 28,000 and 9 4s are 36,000. Then selling expenses. Selling expenses may, now selling expenses is semi-variable. So selling expenses may variable and fixed. Selling expenses may fixed at 12,000. Okay. So this will be 1.71 and this will be 1.33. Now 1,08,000. 1,08,000 per unit. I will have to find per unit. 1,08,000 is for 10,000 units. So it is 10.8, sir. So 10.8, 10.8.
Yes, sir.
Tell me.
12,000 कैसे आया? Fixed.
Here it is fixed, na?
That is for 10,000, no, sir. We are doing for 7,000, no, sir. Units.
Why you should do it for, in case of fixed overheads? Fixed overheads, whatever is the level, the amount will be same, na?
Okay.
If you'll do cross multiply, then it is as good as variable. Cross multiplication is also is to be done only for variable, na?
Okay. Okay, sir.
So for fixed, the value will be fixed, 12,000. Now for variable, it is 1,08,000, na? 1,08,000 is for 10,000 units. How much for 7,000 units? Cross multiply. So 1,08,000 into 7 divided by 10. So that is 7,56,000. 75,600. Then, and for 9 it is how much? 97,200. Any doubts?
No, sir.
This is the reason I have told you to do it first and then learn, because you will understand much better. सिन्हा जी, आपको राइट आया?
अभी यहाँ पे कर रहा था सर मैं.
ओके, तो चलो अभी एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन. एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन इज फिक्स्ड. 4 into 10,000, 40,000. It is complete fixed.
Yes, sir.
So 40,000 divided by 7,000. So that is 5.71. 40,000 divided by 9,000. That is 4.44. Now distribution expenses, sir. Distribution expense is variable and fixed. Chalo, do it. Madhvi madam, you have completed this part,
Yes, sir.
but it was right or you have made mistake?
I made mistake, sir.
Okay, rectify it, ma'am.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Units.
9,69,700. Okay.
59,600, sir.
Okay. ठीक है. I will also do it right now.
Sir, 9,50,000, sir.
Okay. Okay, मैं भी टोटल करूंगा अभी. Okay, मेरा भी अभी सब हो गया. I will have to only calculate total.
600 pieces का.
3,36,000. Nine lakh 50,000, Madhvi. It is only 9,50,000. Check it out. You might have made some mistake. Sinaji also got 9,59,000, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Second one is 11,70,000.
1 second, sir. Sorry, for year, how much you said?
11,70,000.
Okay. 432. 216. $11,70,000 is absolutely correct answer, sir. Per unit is 130. Yeah, my sum is done.
Yes, sir.
Right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Can I go ahead now? Yes, both of you.
Yes, sir.
Okay, chalo, let's proceed ahead. These were the two problems where data was given at one level. Yes or no, beta? Data was given at only one level. Okay. Now, sir, data given at one level, does it make any importance? The answer is yes, beta. It makes a huge lot of importance. Now, when data is given at more than one level, let's do that sum number 3, but in the next session.